So si Bitcoin, we're expecting a possible rally. Let's see kung Monday or this week. So this is the first bear flag, bam, tumulo. And this is the second bear flag. So ngayon po, yung second bear flag natin, look at this trend line. This is acting as a support. The last time na tumama po yan dyan, nag-rally tayo. Now, tumatama ulit. Ay, ngayon, the question is, tatalbugan ba natin yan or gagawa tayo ng bear trap? Usually, yung bear trap po, ang itsura niya, falling wedge. Pababa siya ng pababa. Kasi isipin ng iba, sige, short ko na. Most of the traders will look into this and then eventually the price will rally, liquidating all the shorts before heading here. So that's a probability. So be careful dito sa mga habol na to. Ilang beses na ako na biktima kasi mga ganyan even sa gold eh. Kaya ingat na ingat ako. So usually pagka pangalawang flag na, pangatlong flag na, tinitignan ko kung gumagawa ba siya ng falling wedge, no? Falling wedge or rising wedge. Kasi usually, that marks the bottom and a possible rally could appear. For example, ito, pwede ito balbog yan dito. 105 and then bam, tago ba? So, bantayan nyo po ito, ha? Okay, so kung tatagusin man ito, look for a possible falling wedge. Kung tatagusin man itong trend line na to, look for possible falling wedge and then possible breakout. Uli. Follow for more Tito Moves.